I went to Camp Ramadarome for 5 years. It was in Clayton, Georgia, and I loved it. I think I first started going, I think it was like age 8 to 13 or something like that. And you take Hebrew classes and you would take Judaica classes, and then you would do electives. I used to really like to do improv. I wasn't any good at it at the time, but I loved it. I remember once they would do different. Sometimes you would get to do a play, your age group. And so when I was in Shoafim, that was the 5th year, we did a production of The Lion King, which is, maybe all of 20 minutes, the production we did in Hebrew. And I was cast as Rafiki, and so I got to sing The Circle of Life in Hebrew. And it was just really fun, just really fun memories from that camp. I stopped going. I guess I wanted to just do something else with my summer. But it was really nice and really educational, certainly, but really was the core of a big part of keeping me Jewish, because once you go there, you're totally immersed in people davening all the time and strictly kosher, but it's fun. So it's kind of like almost classically conditioning you to think of Judaism as fun.